Hi, this is Channel 6 News. Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, okay.
What do you like doing at the weekend?
Oh, I love going shopping for new clothes.
How do you get to the shopping centre?
I take the bus.
Do you like taking the bus?
No, I don't. I really hate it. It's very slow. I prefer taking the train, but it's very expensive.
Hi, Channel 6 News here. Tell me, what do you like doing at the weekend?
Well, I sometimes go out with my friends, but I also like spending time at home with my family.
What do you do at home?
I love making cakes.
Wow. Do you do anything else at the weekend?
Yes, I'm a student, so I have homework, but I don't like doing homework.
Thanks for talking to us. Good luck.